Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a nice present while we learn Spanish. We start by drawing a nice bow. Bow in Spanish is LAZO. We draw the box. Box in Spanish is CAJA. Now we draw some decorative circles. Circle in Spanish is CÍRCULO. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say present in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with orange, which in Spanish is NARANJA. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is AMARILLO. Let's see if you know the answer. Present in Spanish is REGALO. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.